If you think hiring an AI developer is going to save you money, think again. A single bad hire can siphon off $500 from your runway and bring everything to a standstill. Let's dig into the common blunders non-technical founders make and how to steer clear of them. Hiring AI talent is a minefield. Hiring AI talent is a minefield for non-technical founders. Too many of us get caught up in resumes, chasing degrees and fancy job titles, and ignore the real deal: how well someone fits with your team and their actual skills. I remember a Series A founder who hired a machine learning engineer just because they came from a top university. It backfired. Communication was a nightmare, and the guy bounced after 6 months, leaving the company about $250 poorer in lost time and resources. Another founder I know, at a startup that raised $2.5 million, made a similar mistake by hiring a data scientist without a proper skills assessment. The result? They wasted $150 on salary alone before realizing the hire lacked the necessary expertise. And let's be real, founders often misread a candidate's actual skills. Skipping technical assessments or coding challenges because you're worried you can't judge them. Bad move. A recent survey showed that 65% of startups that implemented technical tests saw a 30% reduction in hiring mistakes. For example, a company like Airbnb improved their hiring success rate by 40% after introducing coding challenges. We help founders sort through this mess at gotyourtech.ai. Without guidance, these hiring blunders can put your growth on ice when it matters most, costing you not just money, but also momentum. If you want to hire the right people, start with a job description that gets down to the nitty-gritty. It should show the skills you need and the kind of culture you're building. Look at how Vercel did it. They didn't just chase the best tech talent. They sought people who vibed with their mission. That move boosted their team productivity by 50%. Then, don't skip on technical assessments. Relying on resumes is a trap. A solid test can uncover talent that might fly under the radar. For instance, Stripe has a rigorous coding challenge that helps them identify top-tier candidates, which has contributed to their rapid growth. But here's the kicker: you need some technical judgment to pull this off. A lot of founders I see at gotyourtech.ai, I struggle with this and end up needing a hand to find their way through hiring. One founder we worked with was hesitant to trust his instincts and sought our help. With our guidance, he managed to hire a senior AI engineer who not only fit the culture, but also delivered a project that increased their efficiency by 40%. Another client of ours, a fintech startup, saved $200 in operational costs by hiring the right developer through our framework. Get some expert support, and you'll nail those hiring decisions and build a strong team. Hiring is not a roll of the dice. The outcomes can make or break your startup. If you're unsure about your next move, go to gotyourtech.ai. You get straightforward advice and tools specifically designed for non-technical founders, so you can hire with confidence.